When it comes to RV repair and upgrades, many RV owners wonder, can I fix my RV myself? Hello, I'm Stephen Holmes, Director of Service Operations for Keystone RV Company. We know your time is valuable, and we understand the cost associated with bringing your travel trailer or your fifth wheel to your dealership for repairs. That's why, as a manufacturer, we're sharing our RV Pro tips in a series of DIY RV videos for those of you that might want to tackle the simple stuff yourself. Remember to always use caution, and if at any time you are uncomfortable, please stop what you're doing and schedule an appointment with your authorized dealership. Even more importantly, never work on any safety-related items.
Hello, I'm Bart Taylor with another RV Pro Tip DIY video. Today I will be replacing a compartment door seal. We're going to start with opening the compartment door, and located at the bottom is where the seal is started, goes around, and then completes. I will be removing the seal from here, going around. Okay, after putting on some protective gloves, we will use adhesive remover, clean the area in preparation for the new seal, and then prep the surface with adhesive promoter. If you don't have adhesive promoter, it's okay to use isopropyl alcohol. Starting at the bottom, begin to install the new seal, working it around the corners until you arrive back at the bottom. It's important to install with the seam at the bottom of the door. If you install with the seam at the top, water has a better chance of making it through and doing damage to your RV. Having the seam at the bottom leaves the water nowhere else to go but out and away. And as you come down to the bottom, take out a pair of scissors and cut that off to fit. And then we'll just close our door, and we'll take a light and shine around it to make sure that it seals all the way around. Okay, that looks good. If you have an idea for a video you'd like to see, please leave us a comment below and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.